Yes, I think Holi actually. It's so ironic that on the day of Holi, I leave for Chapak. We start shooting on Monday. It's a very, very important film. The story needs to be told. We start filming on Monday, and on Holi Day is when I leave for Delhi. So, no celebration, just a lot of preparation.
आपकी पर्सनालिटी बहुत ही इम्पैक्टफुल रही है मामी के भी पार्ट हैं आप यू हैव नेवर स्पोकन इन दिस टिल नाउ बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ मामी पहले भी कई रिपोर्टेड लोगों ने ले रखा था नाउ यू विल बी अ मेजर पार्ट इन दिस उसके बारे में
I think the reason I agreed is because I think it's important for us to. I think it's important for the youth really to be a part of such organizations or a part of movements or a part of things that will actually bring about change, because the future is in our hands, and I think I think in a way we're responsible for shaping the way the film industry moves, forward from here on. Um, so I think that was a very, very calculated move on my part as well as the board. It is something that we spoke about. And I read an article recently which said that, I was appointed the chairperson because of my status or because of my position. Yes, that's precisely why we did that. And like I said, if one of the most prestigious film, I'd say, academies of our country can benefit from my position at the board, then so be it. Because I think Indian cinema is at the brink of beautiful global recognition. If it hasn't happened already, I think there's a lot more to happen, and hopefully, we'll just take it to an all new, an all new level.
Deepika, as you said, you can make a difference. The country goes for the poll. Would you like to say something to the youth? युवाओं को लोगों को कुछ कहोगे आप कि they can vote? It has come from the Mr. Prime Minister also. Would you like to say?
Yes, I think it's very important for everyone to vote. I think who you vote for is a very personal choice. I think everyone has, various experiences through the government. Some people are positively impacted, some people are not. At the end of the day, I think your country comes first, and your responsibility as a citizen is the most important thing. So yes, I mean, I would encourage everyone to go out there and vote.